The reprioritization of water issue is a political imperative. It will have to become a central feature in all future diplomatic endeavors between Pakistan and India.
And I think India has to make gestures on water. It has to make gestures on other issues like Sir Creek, Kishanganga, which is a water issue actually, glacier, the Siachen glacier issue. Again, it's linked to Kashmir and water. What Pakistan can do is that Pakistan can actually link the water issue and the Kashmir issue and tell India that, okay, we will make some concessions on Kashmir, you give us some concessions on water. For example, we can ask India to give us 10 MAF of water during the lean season from their dam which they have built on the Ravi River. According to an Indus Water Treaty, every drop of Ravi River goes to India. And they have built a huge dam on that river. We can ask India to give us 10 MAF of water in winter so that water can flow downstream of Kotri during winter when it is completely dry. What I'm saying, this is one example of a linkage that you can create between economic policy, between water, between Kashmir, between terrorism, between Afghanistan. They're all linked.
Another issue certain to be a cause for concern not only for Pakistan and India, but for the wider region is the subject of global warming. The increasing temperatures of the earth are expected to have a profound effect in the region. The possible scenarios and consequences require in-depth study and well thought out policies to avoid further disaster.
I think this is something that is of serious threat to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. From what we read in terms of climate change predictions, the glaciers are melting very fast. The predictions are that there will be floods for perhaps the next 10, 15, 20 years. But what happens when the glaciers disappear, are all melted away? There will be no water in the Indus system, perhaps no water in the Brahmaputra-Ganges system. There is a very serious environmental threat that we face 50 years from now. And I think India, Pakistan, Bangladesh have to get together now, today, to deal with that threat. And that threat has to be handled together. We can't do it separately.
So both countries are going to suffer. Both countries need, while maintaining the sanctity of the treaty, to see what can be done to preserve the glaciers, the melting of which is going to be do irreparable harm to the irrigation systems that both countries maintain, because these glaciers are the source of the water in the Indus and the entire Indus system. If those glaciers start melting too rapidly, we will have years of flooding, and then we will have no water at all. So we have to work on cooperatively on those particular issues. We have to work on how we should put sensors there to determine exactly how much melt is taking place, etc.
To keep pace in a dynamic world, India and Pakistan have to urgently revamp their priorities. When dealing with as precious a commodity as water, it is simply not prudent to develop resolutions on a passing basis. Rather, the two countries should engage in proactive measures to maintain an in-place Indus Water Treaty and plan for any discrepancies that may arise in the future.